This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, traction control and stability control systems, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: big 18-inch wheels, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, a power rear lift tailgate, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, a four-wheel independent suspension, running boards, dusk sensing headlights, dual power seats, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Mac Haik Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 515 North Interstate 35 East in DeSoto.